Hey everyone, this is Sherilyn Hoffman, your Southwest Florida real estate agent, and today I am at Babcock Ranch visiting the Trails Edge neighborhood. The Trails Edge neighborhood features waterways and parks and walking trails, and it's a wonderful community. The Phase 1 community had 180 sites, and now Phase 2 is starting, and they have 240. Trails Edge is within walking distance from the Babcock Neighborhood School. These floor plans range between 2 to 6 bedrooms, 1 to 2 story, or a 2 to 3 car garage. All of these homes in the Trails Edge community start around the 300,000s. I'm at the Majestic. Remember that there are three prices that go into a home. First, there is the house price, the lot price, and the upgrade price. Make sure to contact me to find out if pools are still being offered or spas. A lot of the builders have stopped doing that. Some of the builders have even stopped doing second story floor plans. So if you are interested in finding out what lots are available and what floor plans are available or what upgrades are available, make sure you call or text me, and be sure to subscribe to this channel because I will be sending out up-to-date information. Things are constantly changing. Lennar only releases about 8 to 10 lots per month. So make sure that you call or text me at 931-436-3552 to get on the wait list. So I do represent the buyer. I am here to be able to show you any builder's floor plans in any Southwest Florida community. Remember that when you go into a new community and check out the model homes, you will only be meeting the builder's representation or the builder's realtor, and so they work solely for the builder, so they are not representing you as a buyer. So make sure that you get your own representation, and that is what I'm here for. I would love to be able to represent you and be able to serve you in any way that I can with your real estate needs here in Southwest Florida. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.